Another weekend in Ulaanbaatar and another hike. We are now at the summit of Sanzai Rock, 1,710 meters above elevation, which is like 400 meters higher than CBD of Ulaanbaatar. You can see the nice snow. We escaped the pollution. Air is very clean, and where we are, it's known as Selbe National Park. This is because it's the source of the Selbe River, and where I live is actually next to the Selbe River, so I had to pay tribute, pun intended. If you look in front, that's like a lake. It's currently frozen at the moment, but there it is. And if you look straight ahead, you can actually see, okay, that's the lake. If you look straight ahead, you can see the city covered in pollution. So we have escaped the pollution. And that lake, it's quite beautiful in summer. You can go canoeing over there. It was a very easy hike, 5 kilometers, just under 5, with a 163 meter elevation gain. There is a public bus that comes over here. It's X1. There's even accommodation nearby, Baya Baga complex. I think it's quite cheap because it's run by the government. And you can loop the hike, but I think we're gonna go back the same way because it was advertised as an easy hike. I'm with my hiking club. And yeah, really enjoyed the hike. Very chilled, very family friendly. How beautiful are the trees with the snow. Now making our way back to the car. So I'm going to show you the rock we were at. It's straight ahead. That one there is known as Sanzai Rock. And here is the frozen lake. Would be great to come back here in summer and canoe on Selbe Lake. And under the lake, I think, is where the fresh water comes. And that's the origin of the Selbe River, which runs through Ulaanbaatar. So what I'm doing at the moment, I'm walking on water. No lie. This is the lake over here. It's frozen, there's a layer of ice, and on top of that there's snow. And there's the wall for the lake over here. And I'm basically on the frozen lake. So now you can't really go skating because there's too much of snow, but maybe once the snow melts, then you can. And now we are back at the car park. So this place is around less than 30 kilometers from UB Central, and you got fresh clean air, and you can do some hiking, some snowboarding, yeah, some cool winter sports. Highly recommend coming here. It's one of my favorite places. Now we're making our way back. Whoa! Thank you for watching my video all the way until the end. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe and leave us with a comment.